In this video, we will create 3D typography effect using Canva. So it will look like this. To create this, let's open a blank video page. Click on text, add a heading. Let's add some heading and change its font to a cheap black. Increase its size. Place it in middle. Now click on elements. Let's select this shape. Now increase its size and place it over the whole text. Click on color. Let's select some gradient color. Click on layer and send backward. Now reduce this text size and place it in the middle. Reduce this box size as well. Now click on color. Let's select this color. Click on download. Select as PNG and download. Now add another page. Click on color. Let's select black color. Click on uploads and upload that downloaded image. Remove its background using BG remover. So it will look like this. Now reduce this box size like this and increase its size horizontally like this. Now click on elements in search box. Search for gold. Click on photos. Let's select this one. Reduce its size like height and width as per the previous box. Like this. Click on layer, send backward. It will look like this. Now click on color and change background color to yellow. Now click on download and select page 2 and download this. It will be downloaded. Now add another page. Change background color to white. Now add downloaded image. Place it here. Remove its background using BG remover. And it will look like this. Reduce this box size from all the 4 sides like this. And now increase its size like this. Now duplicate it 2 times. Click on edit. Click on adjust. Reduce brightness. Increase contrast. Reduce highlights. Increase brightness for this. Try to put it just above the background image like this. Now group them. Now duplicate and slightly move its position like this and duplicate. Now again slightly move its position and duplicate. Now again slightly move its position and it will now look like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.